What's up, everybody? I am doing a special edition guest appearance on my wife's account. Today we have a very special unboxing. We are unboxing the Galaxy S25 Plus. It's the, underrated, ugly stepsister because it kind of sits in the middle of the Galaxy S25 Ultra and the Galaxy S25, which is a much smaller phone. I also have the Galaxy Watch 7. I got a Spigen, however you want to say it, case. I like the liquid air because I like to see how the actual phone feels. Sometimes cases can be very big and bulky and they don't feel good in the hand, so you don't get to feel that technology feel of having a new kind of phone. Kind of feels like you have some sort of dinosaur in your hand. So I don't like big phones with big cases. I like a nice size, good phone. This one's 6.7 inches. We're not going to go over specs. This is not a spec video. This is just a quick, easy, simple unboxing. Show you what the products look like, how the phone looks inside this case, and to see how the watch looks. I am replacing the iPhone 16 Pro Max, going back to Droid. I love Android phones, especially Samsung. Shout out to Flossie Carter. I do consider myself a Samsungite, and I am coming back. So let's open this. They have these nice tabs that you just, that satisfying pull. Listen to that, hold on. You could do AMSR with that right there. Okay, presentation's always kind of dull. Okay, nothing spectacular in the box. There's a wire in here. We don't need to go too crazy with that. It's nothing fancy. It's literally just the wire. As we all know, they made an excuse to try and cut down on our carbon footprint as a way to not let us not have to pay for the bricks. So hopefully you have a charging brick. Almost everybody does. So that shouldn't be a problem for you. This is the actual device. And I went with this kind of blue. I forget what the name was. But, ooh, in person, I don't know if you could see the way the light gleams off of this blue. But that is very nice blue. Like the color is just absolutely fantastic. Then that satisfying peel. Okay. And you can hear my daughter in the background. She just got a delivery, so she's super happy. Okay. Let's set that down here. We'll do a quick unboxing on the actual watch itself. I never quite understand why these watches come in these big, long boxes. I bet when I open this, it probably doesn't even have a band, but we'll see. I think I went with the nice, like, silver one, which is pretty nice looking here. So they come kind of like that in the box. Okay. The 7 is I think that's the latest one. I'm not sure. I know they have the Ultra, but I had the Ultra before. It wasn't anything spectacular. It was one of the things I traded in to get the iPhone. I also had the Z Fold 6, which I liked, but then I messed up the inner screen and got a warranty repair and fixed it. But that kind of freaked me out because I was scared that I would break it again. And I was like, look, I can't deal with these folds right now. So I decided to go with the iPhone. Not very happy with it. I mean, it does what it does, but it is what it is. Here you'll find the little charging cable, which is trolling me right now. Doesn't want to get loose. Okay. Charging cable to charge your watch. Magnetic, so pops right on. Again, see, nothing in here. Completely empty. They don't even give you a band. You have to like add a band, which confuses me very much because like they show you the phone when you pick the color with a band, but then it asks you to pick a band and you think, oh, I'm going to get 2 bands. You don't get 2 bands. You just get the second one that you chose. I went with this color to go with the silver. I think it has a very nice look to it. Let's take this iPhone 10, iWatch 10, whatever you call it. And let's see how this looks together. Get that out the way. I think this color is pretty cool. Has like some orange hues to it, which I think looks really nice. I enjoy the way this looks. I believe it goes like that. So I'm going to put it this way. If I'm doing it wrong, I'll just fix it. I like how it has this little button that you can press to easily put new bands on and off. And again, trolling me. Got to get it in a little hole. Slide it around a little bit till it pops in. Then I got the big piece. Again, I'll turn it around, press the button, get that in there. Oop, almost. Okay, one more time. Now, one thing I don't like about this is that shouldn't have took so long, right? Like, these slide on and off with just these little pieces. So that makes that kind of easier to use, I guess. But it is what it is. Okay, let's see. This feels like it's super duper long, but I think it's supposed to be like that because they like it to double up sort of. Yeah, I don't know. I hope they got a smaller piece in there because this is way too long for me. I don't like the band. I'm gonna have to get a new band, but I don't know what kind of gorilla arm they think is gonna fit in that band, but that is like, look at that. That's the longest band I've ever seen in my life. I'm sure I can easily get another band to replace that, no problem. All right, we're not gonna turn the phone on or anything. This is only an unboxing video to show you what it looks like. We'll take out this Spigen, whatever you wanna call it, liquid air case. Again, you get this on Amazon on the real cheap. It was able to come the very next day. Slide that bad boy in there. And that looks good. I mean, I'm ready to roll with that. All right, like I said, this is a guest appearance on my wife's account. Just kind of showing you some stuff that we got. If you like the video, kindly like, subscribe, comment. Let us know what you think. Did you get a Samsung S25 Ultra? Did you get a S25? There's not a lot of differences in the way it looks. It looks kind of the same, but it does have like the real upgraded AI, or so they say. Maybe I'll come out with an AI video to let you guys know how I used it, or if it really is something worthwhile. And does this phone, I think that this is long because it's supposed to double back. Like, yeah, okay. My apologies. I said that this was ugly and stupid because it was too long, but I trolled myself. That's the design of it. You're supposed to roll it in and then roll it back. So, supposed to be like a flick and then come back like that for style. I mean, I don't know how I feel about it. I guess it's kind of cool, but let me know what y'all think. Yeah, I don't know. I can roll it back like that, and knowing me, I'll probably cut it while I'm waiting for the other one to come. I'll probably just cut that part off, but shouldn't have to cut anything. And if that's the style of how it's supposed to look, then that's a little cumbersome. But anyway, it gets the job done. Hope you guys have a blessed night. Enjoy.